Good afternoon, everyone, and we're back at the third Local Government Unit Games 2024. We're now at match number 2 of the women's volleyball, and this time this is between Santa Rosa City versus Calamba City. Kanina in our first match, nakita ninyo ang pagtatapatan ng Binyan City at ng Cabuyao City. And Binyan City brought home the winning streak 3-0. Ngayon naman ay ang Team Santa Rosa versus Team Calamba. This third LGU Games is brought to you by the City Human Resource and Development Office of the City Government of Binyan in partnership with our SBP or Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas and our LGU participating for this year's or for this season of our LGU Games. Now you're seeing on your screen the teams between Santa Rosa and Calamba. In the history, medyo mas mataas yung advantage ng Santa Rosa City, pero hindi pa rin tayo makakasigurado kasi iba-iba naman itong mga players once in a while ng bawat teams. That attack by Santa Rosa was saved by Calamba. Easy over ng kanilang libero. Now will be set. Tingnan natin ang play ng Santa Rosa. Pinalo ni number 9. Nakuha ng libero ng Santa Rosa, 24 to set. Tinos ng Santa Rosa. Chows at the net. Pinush, but it's not working for Calamba. Point for Santa Rosa. Now Santa Rosa for the service. Now Calamba is setting the game. Pinalo, and that was received by Santa Rosa well. Tignan natin kung may babalik pa, and now Santa Rosa to set the game. That's inside for Santa Rosa. 2 serving 0. That one is another point for Santa Rosa. It's now 3-0. Service by jersey number 12, Santa Rosa. Blocked by jersey number ng Santa Rosa. Talaga namang height advantage at the net. Kaya puntos para Santa Rosa. 4-0. Mukhang nagkakalituhan tayo sa ating ball retriever. Nice service by Santa Rosa. Easy get by Calamba. Papaluin. Hinulog. Set. Nakuha ni number 24. To push by Santa Rosa. Set by number 3 ng Calamba. At that net, nagwagi pa rin ang Santa Rosa. It's really height that is advantageous for City of Santa Rosa. Sabi ni Cristel and Rinal, go Santa Rosa City Lions! Time out, Calamba. Keep on your comments coming at pagsuporta ninyo sa ating mga players. Are you for Team Santa Rosa or for Team Calamba? Sino kaya sa dalawang team sa inyong sinusuportahan? I-comment nyo na yan sa ating comment section and support your teams. Sabi ni Flor de Lisa, Vicencio Cruz, go Calamba! No, Calamba for that attack. Error on that attack for Calamba. Point, another one for Santa Rosa. 6-0. Mukhang totoo nga ang chismis. Mukhang magagaling ang ating mga players for Santa Rosa pero alam natin hindi papayag ang Kalamba. Kaya kailangan lang nilang humanap ng nice stop sa patuloy na pagragasa ng puntos ng Santa Rosa. At yan na nga ang sinasabi natin. Unang puntos para sa Kalamba. It's now 1 serving 6. Sabi ni Renan Asibuque, Go Santa Rosa Lions, galingan mo, Carlos Cantor. Jason Getafe de los Santos, Go, Go, Go Lions! Galingan mo, Joy Cruz. At sabi ni Cristel and Ginal, magagaling po talaga ang mga taga Santa Rosa City. And with that, we're now 7 serving 1. Now serving is Santa Rosa City. Service ace for Santa Rosa. That makes 8 serving 1. Medyo patusok ang service na yan ni jersey number 24. Let's see kung ganun pa rin ang epekto ng service na yan by Santa Rosa. With a little help from the net. Another point for Santa Rosa. 9-1. Naswertihan pa sa service na yon. Medyo sumungkit sa net. Lumulobo ang kalamangan ng Santa Rosa into 8 points. Tignan natin kung makakabawi at talagang didikit ang Kalamba. But that over went out. Another point for Santa Rosa. 10-1. Nanonood si Carlos Cantor ng Santa Rosa. Bukas pa daw po ang laro nila. Jersey number 17 of Kalamba. Over. Now, Santa Rosa to attack. Sweep lang. Ay, ginamitan ng paa. Sinuwerte. Pumasok outside. Sorry, outside pala. Minsan sa volleyball, pwede pa rin yun. Unless mag-double touch yung bola, pero that save pwede kaso outside ang tinawag ng referee natin. Kalamba will try to over it. Santa Rosa will attack again. Na ang galing ni jersey number 3, nakita, papalo. At nailigtas ng Santa Rosa pa rin ang bola and the ball is playing. Pinalo pa balik. Santa Rosa got that point and now it's 12 serving 1. It's now 12 serving 1. Another point for Santa Rosa, 13-1. Serving is jersey number 14 for Santa Rosa. Sinet ni number 3. Pinalo ng Kalamba. Isa-set ng Santa Rosa. Paano yung over? Set by number 3. Easy over by number 7. Picked up by Santa Rosa. Isa-set ni number 24 at pinalo. Pasok. Puntos para Santa Rosa. 14-1. That jersey number yung big mama din sa Santa Rosa, ang first ever MVP ng jersey number 9 ng Santa Rosa. Ang kauna-unahang MVP ng ating tournament for women's volleyball. Kaya makikita nyo yung athleticism ng player number 1, ni jersey number 1. Number 16 for that attack. Sinet ni number 3, pinalo ni number 13. Nice block sana pero walang assist sa likod kaya naman puntos ng Kalamba, 3, serving 14. Keep on sharing our live stream here at the local government unit games. At i-comment nyo na rin sa ating comment section ang inyong sinusuportahang team para sa tournament na ito. Nice abang. Doon sa side na yun, attack by jersey number 16 of Santa Rosa. Inabangan sa ilalim, naiangat ang bola. Pinalo pero walang nag-receive sa Santa Rosa. Sayang yung opportunity, parang nanood lang lahat. Kaya naman, it's now 4 serving 14. Sampu pa ang kalamangan ng Santa Rosa na dahan-dahan namang ginagapang ng Kalamba. Tinawag muna ng referee ang ating team captain for a reminder and instruction. Pero ganoon naman sa mga play natin, the players has to be reminded constantly dahil gusto natin ng masaya at entertaining na laro dito sa third local government unit games. That's a service error point now for Santa Rosa. 15 serving 4. Easy over by Calamba. Set, tingnan natin ang play ng Santa Rosa. Pinalo. Hindi kinaya yung power ni jersey number 20, jersey number 6 ng Santa Rosa. Sa ating mga manonood, did you know that those jersey numbers 0 to 9 or yung single number jersey ay yung mga job order nating mga empleyado. At yung mga double digit numbers sa kanilang mga jersey, ang mga regular and casual. So it will be easy to identify yung structure ng team or composition sa bawat game. So pag nakita niyo yung mga number 1, si number 6, yan ay mga job order. Pero yung mga number 23, 24, kagaya na, sinet ni jersey number 24, pinalo ni number 16, but that's not quite enough para maitawid ang bola. Kaya puntos para sa Kalamba. Nice set by jersey number 24. Ang isang konsehala sa Santa Rosa City, Cartagena, ang jersey number 24 itinulak puntos para Santa Rosa 17, serving 5. Kitang-kita nyo naman ang ating mga manlalaro, mga empleyadong full-time, mga public servants at manlalaro. Si jersey number 24 ng Santa Rosa ay dating naglaro sa palarong pambansa at isa ring public servant sa lungsod ng Santa Rosa. So it's a brand new game na makikita. Kakaiba ang local government unit games. These are all full-time government employees and public servants na hindi kagaya ng ibang mga tournament who's eyeing for the prize or ng anumang cash prizes, but they're playing for their cities and municipalities and for the love of the game. Kaya naman, thank you very much to all the city mayors, vice mayors, councilors, and of course, department heads sa pagpayag sa ating mga empleyado na maglaro dito sa ating third LGU game, specifically the Women's Volleyball Division. It's now Santa Rosa at the service 9. Our score is 19-6. AC over by Kalamba. Set by number 24. Pero hindi nakayanan ni 28 na iangat, nakulangan ng persa puntos para Santa Rosa. 20, serving 6. To set. Now here is jersey number 3 for Kalamba. 17 with that attack. Saved by Santa Rosa. 24 to set. Pinalo. Nakuha ni number 28. Standing. Ni-receive. Pinalo niya ulit. Sariling sikap si Kalamba. Pinalo ni Santa Rosa. Saved by Kalamba. 17 to attack. Nandun pa rin si jersey number 16. And easy over by jersey number 12, Santa Rosa. Now, Kalamba is setting the play. Pero sumabit sa net si Kalamba. Kaya ang puntos ay para kay Santa Rosa. It's now 21, serving 6. Point again for Santa Rosa. It's 22-60. 22-6. Error on that attack by jersey number 7 of Calamba. It's 23-6. Warning for Santa Rosa. Another error on that attack by jersey number 28. Nagkatawanan na lang ang setter na number 3 ng Kalamba. Set point for Santa Rosa, 24-6. 24 to set. Papaluin ng Santa Rosa. Nice dig by Kalamba. Konting push. Puntos para sa Kalamba. 7 serving 24. One set point save by Kalamba. Nice service by Kalamba. 24 to set. Here's Santa Rosa to attack. Save by number 23. But that moment out. And this set goes to Santa Rosa. 25-7. The first set goes to Santa Rosa. We will be right back after a couple of minutes for the second set of this match. And we are back on the second set of the second match of the women's volleyball between Calamba and Santa Rosa. Overwhelming ang puntos ng Santa Rosa sa ating first set, 7-25. And now we're moving on to our second set of the second match. After this match, masasaksihan nyo naman ang dalawang matches ng men's volleyball. Kaiba ang third LGU games na ito dahil first time natin nagkaroon ng basketball. Kaninang maaga-aga ginanap yan yung ating dalawang games. At ang nag-open nga ay ang Team Binyan versus Team San Pedro. And Binyan took home the win sa unang game. Now we're waiting for the second set. Calamba will be serving for the second set at nag-aabang na ang mga taga Santa Rosa.